Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's StreetSKILLS and today we're at Donington Park to check out some brand new rider assist technology known as Moto DNA. So let's jump in.
Recently I was invited down to join in on a day's training hosted by the Phoenix Motorcycle Training and to test out a new session known as StreetSKILLS 101 Motorcycle Training. The exciting thing about this training is that it utilises telematic style data which feeds into new rider assisted software known as Moto DNA. And well, you know me guys, I'm a lover of all things nerdy, so of course I was going to get involved. Now today's victims joining me on the course were TV presenter Lara Moto, mental health advocate and adventurer Jade Rides, motorcycle blogger Lucia, biking journalist Mark, and of course me, your favourite hot mess from the northwest, Safi Sprocket, trying not to have a mental breakdown in anticipation of today's antics. The main exercises that we were going to be focusing on today were learning to swerve a stationary vehicle, emergency stops, and additionally learning to safely swerve on a roundabout. Now naturally, as with any group of women, Mark became the sacrificial lamb of the day to do the trial run on all the exercises before we all had a go. Finally, after getting up the courage to have a go myself, I quickly realised that perhaps the instructors may have overestimated my ability to navigate around some cones.
We'll do some figure of 8.
Okay, so ride down, back up, stop between those.
Yeah. Just get a feel for the bike, go round.
Oh!
You want to do up that end.
It's a heavy boy, isn't it?
It's 200 kilos.
Oof. Oh, it wouldn't be the first time, mate. What is this?
CB650.
I love it.
Right, so figure of 8. Start point, round the first cone, pair up to that corner cone, round inside this cone, round that one, up round that one.
And then up here. Right, okay.
Okay.
Sweet.
Just get a feel. Get the feeling. At the moment it's like, where am I going?
Yeah. All right. Ooh. Ooh.
Meanwhile, across the courtyard, Lara was having some cornering issues of her own, except I think it may have been the case that Lara quickly forgot she was on a training day. After I finally learned what on earth I was supposed to be doing, we started to record all the data needed to generate my score in the algorithm.
see you're a little bit more confident. You're not
pottering along.
Right, so we'll try a bit of an avoidance here. So the box that you're in at the moment is
Right.
the vehicle. We're going to come straight through these here, through the small bit, presented with a vehicle. Our escape route is that side and that side.
Ooh.
Once you're on board, then try and stop as soon as you, once you
Right, okay.
then stop as soon as.
Okay.
So, we're going to go anti-clockwise and then we're going to go clockwise.
Right.
We are avoiding to the left. Okay?
Left. Okay.
I'm going to be standing over there about 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay? And I'll be standing on the outside and I will point to the inside line. So the idea is to avoid.
So when you point to the inside line, am I going left of that? Am I hitting your hand?
No, because I'll be on the opposite side.
Right.
Once all the data was in for everyone, we descended into the meeting room to review our skills. The review was pretty intense, and a lot of people quickly realised that they had a lot of variety of areas that they did need to improve on. For myself, the biggest takeaway was that I was probably only here by sheer luck, as I walked away with the lowest score of the group. However, what I did realise was that I should probably put the lottery on, and I did, and I took home a tenner. So all in all, it was a great lesson that I should probably gamble a little bit more, as I just seem to be very lucky all the time.
So there we have it, guys. That is Moto DNA, and what a fantastic, fun-filled day that I have had. It has been absolutely incredible, and the technology is really, really interesting. I really hope that more people give it a try and take it up, because it was genuinely a lot of fun, and it was really interesting being able to see my statistics and also see how other people perform and how well I have performed against them. As you know, I'm not the best rider, I am brand new, so technology like this is just incredibly exciting. But yeah, amazing. Now, in the meantime, if you do want to see more great bike content, don't forget to hit subscribe. And in the meantime, I'll see you next week. My name's StreetSKILLS, signing off.